Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find devices settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings. Now here you will find it, devices settings. Here you can manage your devices. You can link this desktop device, and that's it for today. That's how to find devices settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.